Hi kids, Max syllabus and worksheet for class 4 or grade 4. Max syllabus for class 4. Numbers, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, factors and multiples, fraction, metric measures, money, time, geometry, data handling, symmetry and patterns. 4th standard Max syllabus paper. Next Max worksheet class 4 numbers, 4-digit numbers. Write the successor of number. Successor means add 1. Successor means add 1. See here 4645. Successor of 4646. Then one more example here. 7007. Add 1. 7008. Next 2468. 2469. Next write the producer of. Producer means less 1. See here 2495. See here 4494 less 1. 95 less 1 94. Answer is 94. 6020 minus 1 6019. Then 4328. Producer of 4327. Write the expanded form. See here 6065. 6000 plus 0. 0 means 100 0 place. 100 plus 0. So 0. 60 plus 5. Then 3624. 3000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 4. Next 7200 plus 90. 90 plus 0. Ones place 0. Next write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Small to big. See here 7468, 8647, 4768, 6847. Which one is smallest number? You see 1000 place. See here 7846. Which one is small? 7846. Which one is small? 4000. 4768 is the smallest number. Next 786. 6847. 6847. Next 7468, 8647. Which one is small? 7000 is the small. 7468. Last one 8647. One more example here. See here 2375. 3725, 7523, 3275. Which one is smallest number? 2000, 3000, 7000, 3000. Which one is smallest number? 2000. 2375. 2000 is the smallest number. Then 3000, 3000 both are same. 1000 place both are same. Next 100 place 7, 2. Which one is smallest? 7 or 2? 200. 200 is the smallest. So 3275. Next 3725. Last one 7523. Next, write in the descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. Descending order means big to small. 2653, 2536, 2365, 2635. Which one is big number? See here. 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000. All the same numbers. Next 600, 500, 300, 600. 600, 600 both are same. Then next 3, 5. Which one is big? 3 or 5? 5 is the big. So 2653 is the biggest number. 2653. Next 2635. 2635. Then 2000, 2000. Second number 5, 5, 5, 3. Which one is big? 5 or 3? 5. 2536. Last one 2365. Descending order, big to small. One more example. See here, 8205, 6820, 9082, 2890, 2809. Which one is big number, biggest number? See here, 8000, 6000, 9000, 2000, 2000. Which one is biggest number? 9000. 9082 is the biggest. Then 8622. 8205 is the biggest number. Next 6820, 2890, 2809. Which one is big? 6000. Next 2890, 2809. Which one is biggest number? Second one 88. Third one 90, 0. So 2890 is the biggest. Last one 2809. Next, pick out the smallest number. See here, which one is the smallest number? 7895, 6839, 3449, 5050, 2499. Which one is smallest number? See here, 7000, 6000, 3000, 5000, 2000. Which one is the smallest number? 2499. 2499 is the smallest number. Next, one more example. See here, 9923, 820721, 3789, 4010, 5252. Which one is the smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? 9000, 8000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Which is the smallest number? 3000. 3789 is the smallest number. Next, pick out the largest number. See here, which one is largest number here? See here, 7932, 8412, 4988, 6310, 5599. Which one is the biggest number? 7, 8, 4, 6, 5. Which one is the biggest number? 8000 is the biggest number. 8,412 is the largest number. One more example. See here. 8,181, 4,162, 8,811, 7,442, 5,068. Which one is the largest number? See here. 8,000, 4,000, 8,000, 7,000, 5,000. See here, 8,000 is the biggest. Then second number 1, 8. Which one is big? 8 is the big. 8,811 is the largest number. Next, make the smallest and the largest number by using the digit only once. See here, 4, 5, 6, 9. We make smallest number. Which one is small number here? 4, then 5, then 6, then 9. 4,565 is the smallest number. Then here, which one we make smallest number? Which one is smallest number here? 1. Then next 3. Then 6. Then 7. 1,367 is the smallest number. Then here, see here, 4, 6, 8, 2. Which one is smallest number? 2. Then 4. Then 6 or 8, 6. Then 8. 2,468. Then we make largest number. See here, 9654. 9654. 9,654 is the largest number. See here, 6137. Which one is the biggest number? 7, then 6, then 3, then 1. 7,631. Then 4682. Which one is the biggest number? 8, then 6, then 4, then 2. 8,642. Now 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Write the successor of. Successor means add 1. See here. 53,629. 53,629. Add 1. 53,630. One more example. 29,405. Add 1. 29,406. Producer number, less 1. 65,560. Minus 1. 59. 65,559. Next, 98,989. Less 1. 98,988. Next, write the place value of the, underline the digit. See here, 99,999. 900 is underlined here. 900. This place value is 900. Then 17,328. See here, 1 is underlined here. So 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000. Next 9. 9 is the ones place. 9 ones. Greater than, smaller than sign in the box. 98,457. See here, 89,599. Which one is big number? 98,000 is the biggest number, big number. This is greater than. Then 72,666. 72,766. Which one is big number? See here, 72, 72. 1000. Then 600, 700. So 700 is the biggest number, big number. Less than. Crocodile mouth eat only big numbers. 90,487, 90,847. See here, 90,000, 90,000. 400, 800. Which one is big? 400 or 800? 800 is big. So 90,847 is the big number. This is less than. Circle the smallest number in the box. Circle the smallest number in the group. 29,389, 29,836, 29,636, 28,963. Which is the smallest number? 29,000, 29,000, 29,000. Here 28,000. 28,000 is the smallest number. You circle the 28,963 is the smallest number. One more example. 18,267, 18,672, 81,726, 81,261, 67. Which one is smallest number? 18,000, 18,000, 81,000, 81,000. Which one is smallest? 18, 18. Next 200, 600. Which one is small? 200 or 600? 200 is the smallest number. 18,267 is the smallest number. We circle the 18,267 is smallest number. Next. Circle all the even numbers. Even number means a number divided by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is even number. See here. 7,56,800 is the 0. 0 is this is a even number. Then 2,102. 2 is the even number. Then 7,601. 1 is the odd number. See here. 1 is the odd number. Then 5,85,858. 8 is the even number. So you circle this. Then 6,06,606. 6 is the even number. So circle this. Then 9,90,990. 0 is the even number. So circle this. Then 4,54,545. 5 is the odd number. 3,39,339. 9 is the odd number. Next, circle all the odd numbers. 6,36,636. Odd number means a number which is not divided by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. See here, 6 is the even number. 7,71,771. 1 is the odd number. You circle this. You circle only odd numbers. Circle all odd numbers. 9,39,939. 9 is the odd number. So circle this. Then 8,80,880. 0 is the even number. Then 1,01,000. 1 is the odd number. So circle this. Then 2,27,227. 7 is the odd number. So circle this. Then 7,21,712. 2 is the even number. 4,43,443. 43. 3 is the odd number. So circle this. You circle only odd numbers here. You circle even numbers here. Write the place value of the underline the digit. 4,43,743. 4 is the underline here. 43,000. 40,000. Place value of 40,000. 4 is place value of 40,000. Next, 7,04,289. 200. 2 is the 100 place. 200. Next, 1,06,528. 1 is the lakhs place. 1 lakh. Next, 2,83,642. 6 is the 100 place. 600. Write the place value of all the sevens in the number 8,76,777. Write the place value of all the sevens. See here all the sevens. See here 8 lakhs 76,777. 7. This is 7. This is 70. 700. Next 76,070. Thank you.